Alrighty, we've just come to this Mazda BT50 or Ford Ranger, whichever one you want to say it is, and all keys lost. This is an 8C, so just picked and decoded the lock. And what have we got here? It is 02 of 8. Okay, we'll have to put the battery in. Alright, let's go and cut the key. Alrighty, so get the key machine out, put the screwdriver in to lock it into place, get a BT50 card, Mazda key blank. So this one here is done a little bit cheaper, so just to fit in with the budget, we're going to do just one key for them. But while I'm doing it, I might as well write down the code for the transponder, and if they ever do lose the key, they can just give me a call. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, we just cut it on the machine, deburred it, and let's go and see if it works in the door lock. Yep, perfect. Now the other catch is to see if it works in the ignition. So let's just try that. And it does. Perfect. On both sides. Alright, now here comes the fun part. Let's take it out of here and let's make a transponder work.